Madam Facilitator, thank you for the floor, which I have taken on behalf of the WTO members of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States. We are also aligned with the statement delivered on behalf of CARICOM by Guyana. Let me start by congratulating you on assuming the role of facilitator and for so ably navigating us on what is a critical matter, but also one which we understand there is a huge fissure which we hope to close. It would be remiss of us not to recognize the tireless efforts of Ambassador Chambove on this file, as well as the very dedicated and highly capable Secretariat team. We also commend the Director General for taking such a keen interest in this topic. The importance of e-commerce and digital trade to the economies of OECS member states goes without saying. Having a robust domestic ecosystem for e-commerce and digital trade to flourish is a key plank of our social and economic development strategies. Across the OECS, we have been working assiduously to close the digital divide, especially given the extent to which the COVID-19 pandemic revealed gaps in our digital ecosystem. Recent analyses by the World Bank and the Commonwealth Secretariat revealed that OECS member states are lagging behind on some of the foundational elements of e-commerce and digital trade, such as with respect to infrastructure, financial inclusion, legal and regulatory frameworks, and logistics and transport. Therefore, the OECS member states have a vested interest in ensuring that the WTO can accommodate their overall development interests in e-commerce. We are pleased to state that OECS member states support a renewal of the work program, including its developmental dimension, as well as a renewal of the moratorium. We are also interested in additional work, both with respect to further structural discussions and a study by the Secretariat in collaboration with relevant international organizations on the impact of the moratorium with respect to business, consumers, and government revenue. It is true that studies have already been done. However, there is a major trust deficit, and members, depending on where they stand, are not prone to trust the data emanating from the other side. This is why an independent study by entities that we can collectively agree on might constitute a prudent way forward. Finally, the member states of our organization remain satisfied that the reasonable approach at this juncture is to renew both the moratorium and the work program and give ourselves enough time ahead of MC13 to make the assessments which are required. Thank you, Madam Facilitator.